Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards, Libras. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Libras. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So you can watch that. That may answer some doubts you have or answer some questions you have in your mind, Libras. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. We have King of Cups, Knight of Cups, and Strength in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you feel that in your circumstances today, maybe there is a person who is influencing you, maybe in your work. They are your mentor or senior or a colleague who has a lot of power over you because of their position, and they are influencing your actions, um, influencing your life, your career, or it may be your personal life. And it is quite difficult for you the way they are dominating you. It may be your energy also, guys, in this relationship. Maybe you are someone who feels that you are the one who is right and you are trying to dominate others, dominate their actions, dominate their life, and dominating their decisions and choices today. So people may feel that you are being rude, irritating, and they may not like the way you are today. And maybe you are doing it out of love. You want to protect this person, you want to help them. That may be the reason you are making some decisions or you are influencing them towards your choices. But this person you love, they may not like the way you are today, the way you try to dominate or control their actions or decisions. And you are a very experienced, knowledgeable person. Again, whatever you say and do, that is what to say, going against you today, guys. And for your relationship, we picked one card. It's Page of Cups. So it's going to be a really emotional day for you guys, Libras. And someone you never expected, someone you never thought about. Maybe it may be a friend or a family member you lost contact with. So, this person is coming back. They are visiting you and they are here to surprise you. Maybe they are thinking about you and they want to see you and they have some important message to tell you. So, a surprise visitor with a message is coming to you, Libras. It may be something good. For most of you, I see that it is something really positive, a positive news coming today. Maybe if you are single and maybe if you were in a very good relationship with someone and for some reason that did not work out, maybe they are here for that second chance. Maybe they are expecting a second chance, just like you are hoping for a second chance today in this love. So things are going towards something really unexpected in this relationship, Libras. So for your career, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Hangman in reverse. So, with this card in your career circumstances, maybe there is lack of clarity. You don't know what will work for you or what will be the right choice for you. And maybe there are people who are quite selfish, thinking about circumstances to benefit themselves, and they are not helping others, or they are not helping you, maybe, or it may be your energy. You are quite selfish and you are thinking in a particular way. Maybe your perception may be something benefiting you in your work. But when you are working with others, you must have a higher level of perception that is going to help you, Libras. So, that is the energy with these cards, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. So, I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So, now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So, we will see what is this card. For those who chose this card, co create. So, in your circumstances today, you are creating your own reality, maybe with that thoughts, with your intentions, beliefs, and actions. You are creating your own reality each and every moment. And maybe you do not consider yourself as the creator, but you are the creator of your reality, of your life. So it is very important you do things, or you be really positive today, having that positive intentions. And you need to understand that you are a part of the divine spirit, or that higher power, or God, whatever you call it. So you have that spark in you, and that spark is inspiring you today towards your actions or beliefs, your intentions. So, through that divine inspiration, you are creating your life. And when you understand this reality, when you know for yourself, in deep down in your heart of hearts, you will only see grace and beauty in your circumstances. So, the same way in this relationship, when you are open to this person, open to this connection, when you are really honest about what you are, and when you express that to that other person, you feel really happy, because you see that openness and that truth reciprocating back to you. And your love becomes a unique work of art, and you are an embodiment of beauty. And you feel really inspired and confident in this relationship. So, that is the energy with this card. Maybe with this person, you feel really inspired, you feel really loved, cared for, and maybe this person, with this person, you have mutual love, respect, and caring. And you are always inspired, you have that inspiration flowing through you. But sometimes we put a stop to it. Maybe our ego just barges in, or our mind just barges in, telling us something. But when we tune into that intuition, inspiration, we will feel, always beautiful, graceful, and happy. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, I surge on the uprising wave of love. So, with this card, in your circumstances today, maybe you are seeing some changes, just like the movement of sun or the planets, the way it affects us, the way it affects us deeply, body, mind, and soul. You need to understand that you are going through a karmic cycle, something that is out of control, something you cannot change or you're powerless to change, and your circumstances are pushing you towards surrender to that divine energy or that divine destiny unfolding in your life today. And though it may look like something difficult to handle, though you feel like you are comfortable in your own way and you don't want these changes happening, and you are scared or you're afraid of these changes or the way your circumstances are going out of control, these changes are happening for something better. It is opening you up for that divine destiny that is waiting to unfold in your life today. And you are seeing life changing circumstances today. But instead of holding on or resisting these changes, you can just go with the flow, go with the tide wherever it takes you, because it is going to lead you towards something good, something better, something which you never imagined. So, divine destiny is unfolding. That is the energy with this card. Whether you like it or not, it is right there coming towards you. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.